Good morning there. Wow, it's so amazing to wake up with a view like this from the house, boutique and suits. Just wow.
Really gorgeous. So today we have our first full day here in Amman, and our plan is to go and explore as much as we can and show you guys as much as we can. So for the plan today we have three things: to see downtown, explore Citadel, and to go and check out the Rainbow Street. So it's 6 AM right now, so we need to get ready, grab some breakfast and go explore the city. But first,
okay, so let's go. So we're having the buffet breakfast now here at the house, and the offer is quite nice. You can choose all kind of savory things and sweet things. Everything's warm and seems very fresh. So they have, I think, like 5 kind of olives, all kind of fruits, omelets, eggs, pancakes, cereal, all kind of pastries, and about 5 kinds of bread. Bread with olives. I think the olive bread is gonna be really good. And as usual, they offer fresh orange juice, apple juice, tea, coffee, as you would usually get, and it's all in a buffet form. So basically, I do think that breakfast should be eaten pretty big because it's Ramadan, so later in the day no one's eating, so I have to wait until the evening. So gotta get a big breakfast.
alright, so this is our first day exploring Amman, and the first impressions are everything is really quiet.
Closed.
And yeah, basically
Everything's really closed.
Because it is Ramadan, so majority of restaurants will only open after the sunset or like late evening.
Oh, Tim's Burgers. I'm gonna go to Tim's Burgers.
But it's closed.
Well, I'm gonna go later.
So right now we are heading to downtown because that's the place where the Citadel is, the old city, and yeah, just gonna explore the city around there.
We'll see you at the Citadel.
So right now we are at the downtown, and this is the place where all the busyness, all the shopping is done and all the hustle is happening. It's really busy even during like the midday. You can see the market on this side. So the streets in Amman can get really busy during the day, and a friend of ours also said that the traffic is just terrible in the city center. So if you are planning to rent a car, consider it twice. So apparently these staircases are marked as a road in Google Maps. So this is actually a street, not a staircase. Actually pretty cool.
Oh my god.
Tip number 1, so if you decide to explore the city on foot, be ready for some active walking. Because in the city there are a lot of ups and downs, so be ready for some steep walks.
So we've reached the Amman Citadel, and the entrance usually is 3 Jordanian dinar, but if you have a Jordan Pass, the entrance is for free. If you're wondering what is Jordan Pass, we're gonna make another different guide about all the attractions in Jordan, and we're gonna explain how the Jordan Pass works, so you have the full guidance for your next trip. It's actually crazy. Can you imagine? In this whole territory there's about 10 tourists maximum, this place is like, we almost have this place to ourselves. You can't compare it, for example, to Athens, where you had the ancient ruins and the Acropolis, and it was crowded with about, I don't know, at least 5,000 people. This is insane! So as I said, if you're looking for a place to experience the antique Roman culture, this is it, because there's barely anyone here. There are no fences, there are no crowds. You can just walk around, enjoy this beautiful, beautiful place. Amazing.
So the Citadel would be the most recommended thing to do here in Amman, and you can pretty easily fill up majority of your day just by exploring the downtown area, all the shops, all the markets, and then coming here to the Citadel and exploring the beautiful view of the city. Just amazing, something authentic here, and not so many tourists, so that's a real plus.
Fun fact for all the history geeks, the old name of Amman is Philadelphia. Isn't that interesting?
One of his good One of his good
So we found this local place where they create the most amazing pastries. In Arabic they're called majanat, and for 7 pastries we just paid 2 dinar, which is like around $3. They're really nice. You have to try this. We stopped here on the street side to buy some fresh fruit juice for the dinner, and there are many varieties: strawberry, lemon and mint, and basically anything you want can be mixed. And one bottle like this costs 2 dinar, which is about $3 again, but it's definitely very healthy and very fresh. And now we found a secret pancake place where you can get a kilo of pancakes for €20. You can't get any better, can it? Oh my god, guys, we're missing the sunset. Look at the sunset. Close door. Glass elevators, my favorite. Inside, which star? 4. 4, we're going down? Go. We still can make it to the sunset. And later we're gonna make it to the gym. No, right.
Guys, if you like sunsets and sunrises, we would strongly recommend staying in the House Boutique Hotel, because from this rooftop you can see both the sunset, and on that side, basically other side, you can see sunrise. So it's perfect, but it's cold.
It's a little bit windy, but I mean.
So guys, we think that we're gonna wrap up today's vlog right here with this beautiful, amazing sunset. It's just gorgeous, almost every day.
And it's time to eat because they're breaking the fast, so the restaurants are open.
Shawarma coming. Anyhow guys, we will maybe if we anyhow guys, if we're gonna go out eat, we'll make sure to touch me. It's Ramadan. Anyhow guys, if we are going out for some nice dinner, we'll make sure that we will show you what's on the plate.
The nice dinner is gonna be kebab.
Kebab and shawarma.
Fine dining kebab.
Guys, if you enjoyed today's vlog, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you watch this vlog till the end, it's really awesome because you took out the time of your day to watch us, and that's really amazing. We really appreciate it.
Matters the world to us. We really appreciate it, guys. I hope you'll stick around.
Guys, we see you in the next one. Show me your Ramadan dance.
So what happened is that today at the house boutique suits, we didn't have internet for about 30 minutes. Well, it was quite slow. We called down to the reception and we asked what's going on, and they said that there is an outside problem, which is not that uncommon. So I was like, well, that's all right. They said that the technician is already on the way. So about 30 minutes later, we got the internet back, and it was fast as ever. And they sent an apologies fruit basket just because of the fact that we didn't have the internet for 30 minutes. How awesome of a service is that? That is really amazing. And they just wrote down that they're really sorry, and if we need any special requests, they're happy to help. That is an exceptional service.